Actually got a position at this daily support here, so I'm not gonna mark that because it's just gonna have too many lines in one. Hey, what's up, Max?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, it's working. Yeah, my mic.
Yeah.
My mic cut out. What's good?
Oh, not the how you. Your mic cut out again.
Is there anybody out there?
Oh, I hear you.
Oh.
No, I can hear you. Before you cut out again. But I'm assuming that your day was going well until you started playing with your mic. In this tight range we gotta break out of. Hopefully there's some new or some more volume despite being no news and the end of the month. Morning, Hamza. How you doing? We got an order block here. I know it came down a little far, but that is an engulfing candle there. So I'm not going to mark it, but I'm going to keep it in my mind.
Hello.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. Something happened. Finally working.
So we got this one up here. So I think I might mark it here rather than what was that, the 4-hour one?
Have you got a chart up?
Oh, I don't. Sorry. we go.
I'm sitting out in the sun and my screen is so dirty. I can't believe it. It's like I put my fingers all over it, but I never touch it. I'm gonna have to go and get some clean it.
They sell those rags. Like they got like little cloths or something.
Wipes. I think I'll use that.
So let's see. I got buy positions, sell positions open. So I don't know what I really want to see today.
Looks like it's heading back to 22.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see nothing stopping it. I mean, we got this order block up here, this smaller one down here. So right now it's just a waiting game to see how it pushes. I don't even know if we're gonna really see much today, because it's the 31st.
I'm always reluctant to take a buy at a breakout.
You want to take a buy in the breakout?
I'm always reluctant to.
Oh.
I never trust it.
Yeah, we got 17 minutes to this new candle. I don't see anything. There was no setup for me to get in anything, so
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna wait. See, I think it's gonna drop.
It doesn't look like it's going to come back. Oh. Except when it does. My screen is still filthy, and I just got a microcloth, I've got alcohol. Man.
Yeah, it took too long on the push up. What's up, TJ?
Hey, how are you, man?
Alrighty.
Okay. I normally don't come to these sessions, but looks like a lot of moves happening, so I'm like, okay, let's start going there.
Let's see. Where are you going? Where is price taking us today?
Yes, you are going to get ready for bed.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, Sammy?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
How are you, Sammy?
Good, how you
DJ,
been?
what's going on?
Good, everything good.
Awesome, man. Yeah, I'm feeling better. Definitely 100%. I think, honestly, I had COVID.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, straight up, man. I wasn't all that an advocate to get the vaccine. So actually, I think it helped me. So now I got the natural immunity.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, but yeah, that's that. And honestly, it makes you feel really tired and fatigued. And I think that's what it was. After even I got better, like in terms of my respiratory system. But yeah, it just makes you feel tired, honestly. I don't know. I feel like it affects everybody differently.
And I'm glad you're doing better, though.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it. Um, yeah, so I'm actually soothing back into it just slowly. I was looking at charts here and there, but I wasn't like fully focused. But we're back. I was expecting gold to actually come down to like a little bit lower, like 1800 or so, around there, before making that actual continuation up higher and breaking highs. What will happen for then? I don't know, because all I see it's doing like on a 4 hour, it just tested basic structure, the previous high, it just tested that. I mean that's enough sometimes, but yeah, it doesn't necessarily have to come to it. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. We just had this kind of basic retest here. But I was looking at like these candles here, right? Like this big jump up, and even here maybe. Like this structure, I was looking at that mainly. The reason being behind 1800, but um, hmm, it was a nice move. This was a nice move on these too. Hmm. So damn, I saw y'all got those I got those entries from up top. That was nice, guys. Well done.
Oh, up
Want a
here?
beer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That was, by the poolside, fucking,
Hey.
off the phone and shit.
I mean, hey, okay.
And it worked out. I was like, damn, I'm proud of that entry, because I did my analysis on the phone real quick, and
Yeah, yeah. It's good, man.
Yeah, that's pure. You can put that on Instagram. So, trade by the poolside.
Yeah.
You do the job, and then trade from anywhere in the world from your phone.
Yeah, sell them the dream.
Yeah.
yeah, nah, that shit was, it was stressful, so I just took it. I didn't put no stops. I just put my phone aside and just went swimming. I just let it do what it do.
Yeah. You get that feeling. You already know.
Yeah, I mean, I just had that I just felt like it, because I wanted to see it tap in here, and I just felt like when we weren't making it.
Yeah. Even then, like I was even looking, like I did my fibs from like this low to this low or to this high. You can do that, and the minus 27 is like somewhere here. and I was like, okay, it looks like it's about time. It wants to like reverse. Yeah. So like around there, you start looking around that area. Now a better one, you have this leg. This is the one forming. Usually you can draw your fib from here to here, or you can draw it from that other low, from here to here. So here you can even bring it down from here. Yeah. To this low, yeah. There you go. Let me get rid of mine.
To this one here or this one down here?
This one, yeah, this one down here. Yeah. Yeah, I mean it's almost the same, right? It just give you like both of them give you that area. So, but obviously, going in with a blind sell limit, maybe you go into that drawdown. But if you're like Mitch, you just get it from the top.
Yeah, no, that shit was a fucking sweet entry.
Yeah. Hmm.
See, I wanted to see us do this 50% of this move,
Yeah.
or even to come down here in the structure.
Exactly. Yeah.
Which, as
Yeah.
long as it don't come down here, I'm cool with it.
Yeah. Like I just see this. This is the most logical thing. Like we have, like these lows that it was like support, turn to resistance, kind of here, but really more so here, and it's coming back. And so I just want to see some action around here, and maybe do something like this before going back up, maybe.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna come up.
Yeah, yeah, maybe like
Before
around here,
coming
even
down.
here. Yeah, yeah, I agree. We're gonna get that little M.
Yeah.
That bro, it's literally everywhere. Like look, W, M. You had a kind of you can look at it as a rising W like this, or like this W like it was falling down. There's kind of two in there, and then next, boom, and then boom. It's and it doesn't happen if it's not an M or W. I'll see like the head and shoulders, inverse or regular.
Yeah. But let's see. I wanna see where we're going on this. Will be the last 8 minutes. Kinda, cause I really feel like we're gonna come up a little bit before coming down.
Yeah, yeah. I agree. I think the push is actually happening already, and that 8 o'clock candle is just going to push it a little bit higher. So let me actually pull out something on my chart. Let me see what's going on. It's kind of sneaky.
Kevin, yeah, I am. These pink lines are always my positions. I got one down here from 1777. This one in 1816 and 1822. Here we go. No highs.
Yeah. Honestly, I think it's just gonna keep pushing.
And I just want to say it's a sad ass engulfing candle.
Yeah.
Hey, Sasha. Hey, Michelle.
How are you?
Sasha in the house. Michelle in the house. Not yet.
What? Who's saying? Sammy, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
And how's mom and how's your brother?
Everybody is doing better now. Everybody's good. Everybody's healthy, taking it easy, and we're back in business.
Perfect. Is that why were you away or was there something more to it?
Nah, that was really the main reason. I was feeling really like weird, honestly. Like I don't know, with all these like conspiracies and whatever going around it, and like it's I don't know, it just had me thinking really, and I was like, okay, there's a lot of things being said. Just I'm healthy now, and it shouldn't
Are
it
there
shouldn't affect me. Yeah.
conspiracies?
Huh?
What were those? I don't know. I'm lost. Did somebody say that you are vanished off the world?
Where are they saying that? On YouTube?
No, I don't know. I'm asking you. Was there a conspiracy? There was no conspiracy I mean, in regards to you being away. It was mainly the COVID thing, right?
Well, I did say I never seen you and Superman in the same place before, so.
No. The conspiracy I was talking about was about COVID, not me. Now, I hope there's no conspiracy going on about me.
I mean, has anyone ever seen him and Superman in the same room together? I'm just saying.
Hey,
My goodness. So what you doing with gold, Mitch? You're taking it to at least 1814-ish area and dropping back again?
Yeah, I would like for it to do that. At least 1813, 18
yeah,
Yeah.
in
for sure.
here. If not, if it
Oh, yeah.
doesn't, if not,
30.5.
if we
Yeah.
don't come for this order block setting up here again.
Okay, let's have a look. Because I am not expecting it to make new highs now, thinking it's the Monday. Oh, sorry, it's the last day for the month.
Oh.
Yep. Still 4 minutes. Can I ask Miss Michelle?
What the coin says?
Hello. What the, no, how was your class?
I don't think her audio is connected.
I'm here.
Oh snap! Here she is.
She's on both of them.
I was watching TV with Brian, and then I saw Mitch's little thing, so I just hopped on.
Yo, look at this
Yeah.
month. You have to zoom all the way in to see this fucking body.
I know.
'Cause
Sammy,
normal,
remember
you
I said
can't
we
see
were gonna
shit.
come down for 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And the wick is just too long. The body is almost non-existent.
I mean, it's really hard to find a candle like this on the monthly.
It's gonna come down, Michelle. It's gonna give you 1800.
Wow.
Will you be happy then?
1,344 fucking pip fucking wick. That's crazy.
And check
Yeah.
out the previous one. The one before. We were just stuck in the range.
Yeah. Absolutely.
This month is a crazy candle situation.
I like that.
And
Keep it
Sammy,
coming.
I told you it was going to come down for 2 days. I shorted it when it was at the top. And my broker was having trouble filling my orders.
They knew.
Oh, I'm telling you. And I called them and I was on the phone and I got in and out and I was like, let me see if it's working now. And I click and then it would fill my order like 30 seconds later after price had already moved all over. And then I was trying to cancel the order, but it wouldn't cancel because it had executed, but it didn't show that it had executed.
Oh damn! They had you in some entanglements.
Oh my gosh. I was so then I lost that short at the top and then I was flustered. I was like, just forget about it. I'm so frustrated right now.
Yeah, just
I
let
did
it go.
get them to come down on my commissions though.
Oh really?
Yeah, I was like, is there any way you can adjust my commissions? And they're like, sure.
Oh, okay. Easy as
I was
asking.
like, all
Doesn't
right.
hurt to ask. There you go.
I pay them enough and they take the money from me, so
Yeah.
Makes
give them-
sense.
So that was the plus. But then Cody, I had a short, and then, Cody got in and out a couple times. It's gonna take a while for him and I to get into sync. I kind of am like, here's a trade, it's in profit, just don't let it lose. And so then he hops out. And I'm like, why did you hold that?
He didn't lose. You said don't let it lose.
I know. I don't get upset about it. I'm just like, why did we not hold that short?
No.
He said he was missing you yesterday, Michelle.
He did not.
He did. It's on record. It's on record.
He's definitely not happy about me going to school.
No.
So I'm just wondering if we're setting the top wick for the day
I think so.
at this
I
point.
hope so. I hope so. I think so.
Yeah, I don't want to lose positions though.
You know what I found out? So I my class starts at 8:30 in the morning, which is the same time as NYSE
shit.
Open. Alicia, what?
That's okay.
Look at this woman
You
in
know-
candle. Sorry.
When did that happen?
Just 1 second ago.
Literally right now. It's 8. It's 8 o'clock, Michelle.
Yeah, the 9
Oh.
o'clock came in. It wicked the whole hour candle in a minute.
That was just 8
No,
pips.
in a second.
Bro, look at that engulfing coming out of that, out of the on the 1 hour. Like,
Okay.
look at the 1 hour. Said bye zone.
Yeah.
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 Honest-
Making sure that you're.
Yeah. Honestly, I want to see us come tap above here before coming back down and then buying up.
That's
Let's check.
60 pips away.
That's something gold would do. Yeah.
Yeah, initially I wanted to cross the hurdle on the left, the wick, all those wicks from the bottom.
just
This
got
was
stopped
a good support here. So I wanted to cross this area. Once it's done, perfect, no worries.
Yeah.
But I think, and I hope it's not gonna spend an hour here and bore me out.
I mean, it better not after this fucking 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
You mean to tell me that in this first minute we got a 10 pip wick in 1 minute and we can't get nothing in an hour?
Come on. Yeah, straight up stalling near that previous support.
Yeah, we're gonna come down.
Also, it's a daily pivot. So yeah. Yesterday was an amazing trade, Michelle. I took a sell. Did you check out the IG or WhatsApp? I posted it there.
No, I haven't looked at anything today. I've had so much going on.
How was your class? You liked it?
It was good. It's going to be super easy. What I was saying is I signed up for the morning class, which starts at NYSE Open. And if I had taken that quote unquote afternoon class, it would have started 2 hours later. And then I could have been home to trade. But it's all good. I didn't know that the afternoon class was really a late morning. But it's fine.
Okay. But you find it interesting? Was it nice?
No, it was fine. It's good. Yeah. I mean, there's 18 of us in the class, and our instructor's really nice. So I think it's going to be a good year.
You found somebody your age group there?
There's one person in there that's my age, and we have the same name.
No way. No way.
Yeah. It's funny because people always ask me what my name is. I do this all the time if I'm in social events, and people will be like introduce themselves, and I'll say my name's Michelle, and I'm like, but if you forget that, just call me Trixie. Haven't you heard me say this, Mitch? So now the class calls me Trixie.
Okay, we'll take it. Just to differentiate.
Nobody ever forgets Trixie. Nobody.
Trixie. Why? Why is that?
I don't know why. People forget Michelle.
Because you have an X in your name.
I don't know why. It's just like it's. I think because it's funny.
Trixie. Yeah, I mean,
Why did you suggest this and nothing else?
Why? What?
Why did you suggest it to be called Trixie and nothing else?
I don't know. I use it as a joke. Like if I'm in a social setting, I always just use it as a joke. Like just call me Trixie.
And they're actually gonna call you.
People remember me the rest of the night.
Oh,
Ooh. Come on, don't close like this.
Mm-hmm.
Well, your guess is as good as mine now where price is gonna go.
Sami, you're still taking your students in?
sorry, what was that?
You're taking your students in?
What's up, Cody?
Your students, are you still mentoring them?
Oh yeah, no, I've still been like doing calls with them and like kind of giving them my input. But yeah, it's still 100% going on.
You're recruiting
Okay.
people in Houston. Are these people that you know?
Yeah, so actually, those people that joined most recently were some of my friends that I've known for a long time, and they actually got into stocks more than currencies, but they always wanted to get into currencies. And I told them, like, honestly, guys, like, I'm doing this for other people. Y'all are like close to me, so why don't y'all take this opportunity and get the education that you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Awesome. Are you analyzing gold in your Telegram group a lot?
No, we're not really touching up on gold as much. We're really focused right now on GJ, right? We're trying to stick to how to learn one pair instead of always bouncing around like a lot. Now, what we do here is we stick on gold a lot, which is good. And so with them, some of them, they can't handle the volatility of gold. And so something that's much more non-volatile as much, like GJ is volatile, don't get me wrong, but not like gold, the way that gold wicks and stuff. And just to like set down some fundamentals, and make it easy for them to learn instead of like learning but losing at the same time with gold. So I'm trying to minimize that and actually help them see like movements that occurred throughout the week. Gold is a different animal. Yeah, there you go. Come on. She's going. Yeah.
Otherwise, I would have asked you to get me onto your Telegram group because I'll steal your gold analysis from there.
Yeah, for sure. I got actually a bouncer. We got bouncer for the Telegram groups to make sure Sasha doesn't come in. That's their only job.
Special bouncer, huh?
Yes.
Michelle, do you see the tab on H1 or you don't see that? You should have identified it by now.
Do I see the what on H1?
The channel, your favorite channels.
I was sitting here thinking I haven't really looked for any channels. A channel worked out for me this morning when Luke was on. I shorted at the top of the channel, like I think 10 pips before Luke was shorted. And then he stopped out. Mitch, you were on there. He stopped out. I think Chris stopped out.
That's this position here.
I just took it from the top of the channel, and they took it from about the midpoint, but it kept hitting their price.
You can't put it on here, Sasha. This is a working candle.
So it is, but it's almost at the top of the channel now. That's what I wanted to tell you.
Also, because of these, but then these two don't touch.
Yeah, if you join this one and this one basically, and then let it come wherever it wants to come. But then also I was joining this to a wick here, like that, just to get it parallel something. And then there was some room for it to come on the way here. What do you think, Michelle? Tell me.
I like it.
You like it?
I can't get it there.
And this is where the wick, top wick here is. This is the pivot point for the daily, but usually it comes some bit here, a little bit more, and then I am expecting some sort of reversal. And it's going to be a very messy move, just like this yesterday. I'm not expecting much. no news, nothing, and in the month people are, or maybe to 95. Are you taking it to that order block?
No. I'm taking it down now.
Yeah.
18, 13, 34 to be exact. Down. Away
No,
from
no,
there.
down.
Channel confirmed that for me.
I said I wanted to see it hit those numbers. I don't know what y'all was waiting for, but it came into the numbers where it came directly between this point and this point where I wanted to see it. So my finger.
So where would your TP be, Mitch? That's what I meant.
I don't know if I'm going to hold this for long or just scalp this because I still think we are going to come into here. This order block.
Well, technically, this channel should break up, but I just don't know.
I mean, we're in this imbalance here. I mean, I do think we're going to come here to start over again. But we just created this today, and this position down here has been, I don't know if we're going to come for this next month, but there's money sitting here. At least my money. I know if I got it, then the bank's got it.
What I was thinking, when are you taking it to 1833, Sami? 1830, I mean. He's not even taking it anywhere.
Not today. What are these?
I don't know. I might
No.
feel like doing it next week to 1833, or maybe even Friday if I'm feeling some type of way for NFT. I don't know. I'll see.
There are news, there are 3 days, right? So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all 3 days we got news on.
Yeah.
Would that be a channel?
Mitch, are you liking channels?
No, absolutely not.
That's the bigger one Cody and I missed.
I don't get them. I don't get them. I see channels everywhere. Like I don't. And y'all
I shorted here, and I think Cody got out right here. And that was it for the day.
Y'all tell me it can't be on a moving wick or a candle, and it can't be. It's got to touch 2 or 3 or something. It can't go bodies, and then y'all just do totally everything that y'all tell me I can't. So I don't get them.
I do different things. Sometimes it can wick outside of the channel, but it'll close back in the channel. So I was gonna draw.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. So I know, like right through here. I mean, basically, I would try to touch as many points as possible, and then like that wicked out, but that's fine. And then those wicked out, but you see each one of them closed back in. So you just use them as a guide. It's like a structure guide.
I don't know. If I draw it through my line, then it annoys me and it's not a structure.
This is exactly how I knew that I have to short here now, because we were going like this and then we started breaking lower low here. So I was like, first lower low, it breaks out, and then I was like, maybe we can interrupt, and then this support resistance that was created with all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, and then I was like, let's go down further. So it makes it easy for me to identify the change of trend on a smaller time frame or on a bigger time frame. That's all what it is, basically, nothing more.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. It's 5 minutes. Look at interest.
I like this channel.
You like which one?
Hey, Maxie.
That one I just posted it.
Oh, let's look at his chart.
There's a channel on daily as well, by the way, Michelle, if you haven't.
Ooh, wrong chart from Max.
Access denied.
Why can't I post the chart?
You're going back to the gulag.
Okay, so you got to come up here, Max, and press this. Copy link.
Yeah, I know that.
Nah, you sent us this. I mean, unless you got share on. Your share is.
I'll try it again.
This one.
Try that.
Mitch,
Try
do you
that
want to
one.
go to daily? Meanwhile, I want to take Michelle's input on this daily channel that we have. Is it
Oh, there
daily?
you
Oh,
go.
this is the 1 hour channel.
That's the channel Sasha just pointed out, the 1 hour.
Oh, right. Yeah.
This one here
Perfect.
and then that
Yeah.
one.
The problem with this right now, well,
it's pretty good at the 50% point, the middle line going through it, as
Right.
well as the the bottom,
Right.
the bottom touches and the top touches. Yeah, exactly.
There you go. We have to agree, Maxi. We have to agree.
We have
That's it. We just sorted.
And I think I'm looking at my monthly chart. I'm looking at it on MT4 on IC markets, and it hasn't flipped bullish. It's still bearish, the monthly.
Monthly with close bearish, I think it should.
Yeah.
But on daily, yes, here. Mitch, do you see this? This was, I think I drew this yesterday on live as well. Something like that. And then you can join these here in a straight line. I'm sorry. I make a mess all the time with annotating it here. So yeah, something like that. And then this was coming down to this area to my targets later on, not now. 60-ish area, 65, 60, something. If it has to cross that 30. Gold. I don't even look at any of the charts, so I'm just used to one chart. If it's not giving me anything, at hold top. That's it. Sorry. My telegram. On and on and on and on. I don't even. Is there anybody else who's like me? You guys are not going on Slack anymore. I'm so involved in.
It got too crowded. Anywhere that gets too crowded is, I'm out.
Maxi, I used to go there and I used to find analysis and I used to look at and respond to people, but now it's already too much for me. And I hardly go in.
Yeah, no, I mean, I'm no way, shape, or form talking shit about anybody, but I'm tired of going on and seeing the same chart, same analysis on everyone posts the same exact chart.
You mean they're like drones and they all think the same?
No, I'm just saying that every chart's on there is the exact same exact numbers, same exact lines.
I don't mean that I don't mean that to be rude, but it's like they all think alike, so it's just the same chart. Like, for instance, over here, I do channels, y'all don't. Y'all do zones, I don't mark them up. So it's interesting. Like, even I'm still studying Ricardo's chart over here, and I've already think I have the whole play for the day based on the fact that it's the last day of the month, and it plays into the last half of the week.
Yeah, I'm just thinking when I look at the weekly chart, it's hard to say what's going to happen today. I mean, is it going to flip bullish? I mean, could.
So I see that we're going to go, to me, I think we're going to go bearish from that channel to the other end of the channel. And then we're going to possibly come back up the smaller channel. Then we're going to come back up out of the smaller channel towards the end of the day, maybe, and end the month. And then the rest of, then starting next month, we could go up a little bit into that bigger channel, which would break the smaller channel. So now you've broken out of that, but you're still within the bigger channel before coming back down again to the 1700s.
I think this is letting you guys in a trade if you guys want to get in.
Although I don't know.
I'm gonna take another position. Fuck, it's letting me in again.
Mm.
It's going to be scaling in. Too much hassle to find the top.
Mm-hmm. I might be changing my bias.
By the way, Michelle, there is a channel on the weekly as well that I see. I think I pointed it out earlier too. But that's a scary one.
Oh no, wrong button.
What happened?
Oh, I actually pressed the fucking buy instead of a sell. Come on, go back to where I was at.
That might be a good mistake.
No, it's not. We are going down.
I don't know, Mitch. We might break out of the smaller channel to the upside first and then come down.
Did your coin tell you that?
I don't know. You want to flip the coin? Let's flip it.
Let's flip it.
All right. Here goes the coin. I gotta turn on the light so I can see. I'm sitting in the dark.
The only other analysis I trust besides mine is the coins.
There you go, Mitch.
Here goes. The coin says sell.
Not right now. Don't sell. Hang in there. Mitch, on 30-minute, there's a 50 moving average right there where it's reacting. Simple, not exponential, sorry. And on 4 hour, there is 8 moving average, simple again, where it's reacting.
Okay, I think I'm done. What I got? 1, 2, 3. Alright.
I don't know.
It's back where you wanted it to be.
Yeah. It is. So just push down so I could get out, because we're the way it's looking. We made our W to make our M. We're coming to make this leg. But on the this here.
Taking us to 20?
Where is it?
On the 5-minute, I also see that we could have a cup pattern. You know, I haven't talked about that one in a while.
I love how he draws his M's and W's. On 5-minute, Michelle, let me have a look. Oh yeah, we got it here. But Michelle, the cup pattern should take us a bit higher, isn't it?
No.
I know. That's actually what I'm actually starting to think.
Yeah, it should come back to
This is US 30. Let's go here.
higher. But it's going to take some time. It's going to break the channel, come back, retest the channel.
I know the coin said sell, but I don't know that I'm a fan of my sell right now.
It says sell in a bit.
Is that what it means?
Yeah, you should understand your point, Michelle.
Oh, I understand it.
Scalp and buys. Until then. You know, when there's no news, it's such a slow move. I don't like it. You should have a red folder daily.
took a short there, scalp it.
So you're looking to sell at 1814.92?
no, further up. But I am looking at Mitch, looking at 30-minute candle. There is no bottom wick.
I know what.
Bottom wick,
Of what time frame?
30 minutes. Oh no, it was H4. One second, I'll open it.
Hmm.
No, for me, it's my Asian H4 candle that I was looking at. So I don't know how your H4 is like. Let me have a look.
Oh, on the broker?
There are two different ones. With Max on H4, there must be no bottom wick, but for you guys, I see a nice.
Oh, I got
bottom
one
wick
even on my MetaTrader 5.
Yeah.
A wick.
Fine.
And that's through Dominion.
You.
Oop.
On to that 15.
Tell me your 14 moving average for exponential. It's carrying it right now, all the way up, right?
On what? On the what time frame?
On 15 minutes.
On 15 minute? The 14? No, it doesn't. It's not. It's actually just now crossing.
Exponential 14.
Yeah, exponential 14.
I thought it was for me. It was supporting all these 15-minute candles.
Hmm.
I'm checking
Are you
out
sure you
again.
don't have a simple moving average?
I have one simple. I'm gonna put 14 exponential and check again.
Yeah.
If you look at 8 simple, it is actually doing that, and 8 smooth also.
Let me check it out.
So yeah, 8 simple and 8 smooth are just
Yes. Okay, now I see the 8. Yeah.
yeah, they're just supporting it. And no, 14 is doing that too. How come you're saying it's not? 14
Yeah, it did a
exponential.
little. I see. It did a little. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because
Uh,
14 exponential is same as that's right.
Pretty much. Honestly, pretty much it is.
Yeah.
But yeah, from since an hour ago, it started supporting it, right? That's what you're seeing too.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles now.
Yeah, 5.
15.
Yeah. I think it should touch 1815 and then see what's gonna happen. Or this is just gonna reject from here.
Yeah, it's top of my channel. It has rejected again.
That's cool. I got, what, 3 trades right now in profit?
15, 18, 13, 50 is kind of like a minor key level. Even 1813.30. Yeah, 1813.30.
On the 5th, it is 23.5 for the whole move up.
Mm-hmm.
Wish I could just grab the price and drag it down.
Do that.
It's not letting me.
Lap 1,000 lot real quick.
All do it together.
Man, this is one of them annoying trades. Got 2 in profit, 3 out of profit, but it's not nowhere near ready for me to close them.
Come on, buys or sells?
Sells.
Oh, on the top. On the top.
I got like 5 positions from here to up in here.
Okay.
But as soon as I said I was in profit, it went back up out of
Yeah.
profit.
It's breaking now or no? Or is it creating a support? I mean resistance.
Nah, like if it's chilling there that long at that high, no way. Like it's about to pop. I would expect it to pop up. And then you got 1813.30 as like a minor support playing out right now.
I just want these fucking things to tap already.
Yeah.
If these EMAs tap, I'm good. I'm golden. I could not have my finger on the trigger.
Gotta be ready. Trigger fingers. Like I feel like it's gonna bust up, tap 1815, and then possibly from there start coming down temporarily. until New York, maybe. New York, it'll start maybe buying up again.
If we don't get nothing in the next 30 minutes, it's gonna happen. We're gonna get something at 10.
I really want us to tap 1800. Like, if you're holding it, I'd leave like something. Put that break even, bro. Just see if it'll even get there. That'd be nice. 1800.
You're pushing it, Sami, you're pushing it up at New York. Won't it be a bullish again?
Yeah, you're right. So now I'm thinking New York should actually push it down, or maybe buy New York. Well, that's a lot to like travel from 1813 to 1800. They may save that for NFP. I mean, got to see how it plays out. Like this London and New York should kind of give us a feel of where we're going for the rest of the week. Like we can pinpoint it better. Need some more data.
Because I see it coming back to 1804.
Yeah.
That is the 50% retracement. So what has that? Well, how I'm looking at the whole thing, how it came back to 23.5, pushed back up a little bit, then came back to 38.2. Now it's back to 23.5 fib level, exactly there.
Yeah.
From there, it's gonna maybe push up a little bit between 16, 17 area, or maybe a little higher, but then it will come back to 50%. That is 1804, 1803, 1804.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm looking at that like 1802, 1803-ish, and as low as maybe, I don't know, 1800. Yeah, if you look at the 15-minute Mitch, I was looking at, let me see, yeah, let me zoom out. So we're kind of in, like we had this big impulse, and then this is, oops, that's terrible. This is like the corrective move that's happening after this impulse that we got. So impulse correction, and then we're expecting another impulse, but also at the highs usually, right? There's like a flag that's happening, and we're looking at the highs, maintaining lower highs, lower highs. Usually we get 1, 2, 3, that third tap. From that third tap, it can either make a higher low or a lower low and then make its way. So that's what I'm seeing, right? We already had that first high, second high. And we might be looking to make that third lower high.
That's right now where we are almost here.
Yeah, pretty much. And it can be anywhere. Like the lower high can be here, it can be here, it can be here. But going logical.
No, it only could be here.
Logical, seeing this previous support turn into resistance. It's not always pretty, and where it sells exactly at that point. But we got to look at also maybe this area possibly to sell. I don't know. We'll see.
18 to 20. That's what the mean here.
Yeah. So to me, this candle right here, y'all can see that. This one kind of triggered that selling, because look, if I'm going to draw a zone from that, right, from the high to the base, I'm seeing every time that when price pushed away, okay, the first time we broke lows, came back to that same place where that selling pressure began, we broke another lower low. So we expect, okay, we have a lot of selling pressure happening here again. Came back to that same area, broke another low. So the question is now, are they going to sponsor it to come up here and then break another low? And then from there, we'll see. And then by then, this corrective will be done. People are going to see an obvious trend happening. Oh my God, sell, and it's just going to buy in their face.
Yeah, their usual exercise.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is the news. So how I anticipate is that they're going to sit down there to give a nice bearish, a bit of a body to the monthly, and then maybe buy from there tomorrow. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
With the news?
Yeah. Could be something like that, yeah.
And by then they will be able to entice so many sellers more in that zone.
Yeah.
They totally believe that we're going down further.
Yeah.
And Mitch, you want to draw the fib as well? You'll be able to see the levels too. It'll be easier.
Give me 1 second, I'm rolling up.
No worries.
Where do you want me to draw the fib at?
For the whole move from the bottom to the top. You drew it yesterday, I think. No, not this one. From where 18 something. Yeah, that move.
What, from here?
Yes, please.
I think I went to these ones, right?
I got a good entry from there. It just wicked down, and I was like, that's it.
I mean, this is the... I was looking for this yesterday. I thought we would have done it yesterday, the 30th, but we didn't, so...
What level? Oh, 30? Okay.
Yeah, the 27 on the...
But that was not my fitting with my daily channel. It has to come down and then go back up. It's an extremely slow move. Maybe you got to you got to push down a little bit.
Come on, you can do it. Just clap already, guys. What strand? I have no clue. He told me. I have no clue. He told me, but I don't know. I don't remember. No, I'm in sells, no buys.
This candle did not give much of a high right now. So maybe we can go down and then push back up. There's no volume right now. Why is that so?
End of the month.
I feel like they're gonna do something in London or New York or both. Usually, probably New York, because in a way they kind of have to rebalance their books before the month closes, and they usually do some crazy stuff. It gives some good scalping opportunities, good A to B movement. I know it's usually like that for currencies, and I know it's most likely the same for commodities. I mean, it's the same. It's a market. I don't know. It's looking frisky on the 1 minute. I see how it's accumulating at that high.
It's looking like a fucking range.
Yeah, they're like, I'm not falling for that fake resistance. This crap that they're giving right here, like, no way they're giving people time to just like sell. It just, I don't know. To me, it doesn't. It's weird. Like, it's fishy. But this could have maybe grabbed the stop losses, but I don't know if that's enough to go down like that. I don't know.
Down to at least 1809-ish area and then move back up.
Yeah.
Because many people have bought with this easy move up. They're like, knock them off, go back up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Come on. I either need to be able to pull price down or push this fucking EMA up.
Yeah, next 2 minutes for the new 15-minute. Now it's almost about an hour close. If you look at 1 hour, you see how many times 1810 has acted as a support. All that area, 1810. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hours. Price sat on 1810. That's where I think it's going to come back to take everybody out and then move up.
Just keep dropping. Don't stop.
Maybe. It's too slow. How do you see that volume thing? What do you make out of it?
I don't know. I feel like these are imbalances here. Or the gaps in price. I mean, I've seen it come to them and reject it. I've also seen them come to them and push through it. So I have no real clue.
Which one was that? I'll test it. I never put that on my chart.
It's the VP.
Volume profile, but which one?
I don't even know. I don't got it up here. It's a volume. VP 200. No.
Check on the indicator on the settings. There must be something. It says nothing, right?
Volume profile.
It's volume profile.
Yeah. Volume profile here.
Yeah, by KV4 something. Okay, I'll check that out. Thank you.
Let's read this chart. Oh, is this the same one? So what? I don't know what your position is. You took a buy in that gold line, or you sold at the gold line? Oh, okay, you sold on that. Nice. Let's go. See you later, TJ.
You know, the
What's
other
up,
one
TJ?
in your session.
Have a good one.
All right, guys, I'm about to head out. I'll see y'all probably in New York. I don't know about London. I've been sleeping through London, but probably in New York. I'll see you guys.
Later.
Yeah, what's happening?
Peace out, guys. Bye.
Hi, Sammy.
Bye.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Probably gonna be heading out to in like a half hour or so. See what price does. Ain't nothing really happening.
AJ in the house.
I mean, all my trades are in the blue, but
I don't think AJ should be talking because his wife must be sleeping in the same room in the hospital.
Mitch. Sasha. Hello. Hello.
I'm here.
Could this be any more like less eventful?
It doesn't look like it. It's almost, I'm just literally doing other things instead of looking at the charts. I gave up.
I'm doing the same. I'm over here doing schoolwork. I'm looking at Facebook. I'm like, what is going on?
Yeah, I give, because the price action tells me it's not giving much.
Oh, it's trying to bore us out of our trade to go away.
I didn't do much, to be honest with this one. I wasn't expecting it to be this boring. So I'll let it be unless I find it to a point where I want to sell or actually want to buy. So I'll leave it on.
Ugh. I'm about to go to bed.
Yeah. I think that's the right thing to do. Don't waste your time.
I see that AJ is on the Zoom.
Yeah, but it's late at night at his place, and also
He just had a baby.
yeah, he's at the hospital. Yeah.
Oh, so he might just be listening.
Yeah, listening to nothing because nothing is happening.
Very true.
Yeah. I mean, all my positions are in the blue. I mean, that's a plus.
I mean, yeah.
I mean,
Do you know what's crazy? When I opened my position, I was immediately up. Let me see. I was immediately up 12 pips. And I just should have closed it then because we haven't gone back to that much profit since.
what? And for buys or sells?
Sells. When y'all right when 8 o'clock started and it had that weird funky up and down candle, I took sells at the top.
Yeah, I want to see if we could get back up in here. So for the same play that this one is here.
Let's just go to 1800 and then we can all be done.
Yeah, I'm cool because this runner, this TP is, I think, 1800. Let me look. That TP is 1800.
Sasha, I got access to my online course. It's day 1 and I've probably finished 3 weeks worth of online work.
You already finished for that?
Yes, like I'm just sitting here like I might as well do schoolwork while I'm sitting here.
You got homework already? That's bullshit.
Doing what I'm doing.
But we don't have homework. We have online assignments. Oh, I figured while I'm sitting here, I might as well do them. So I'm gonna go back to school tomorrow, and then everything that I've already done and done assignment works and done tests over, she's gonna start teaching.
You just started the course, but when you're in the flow, then it really makes sense for me. Whenever I used to say that this is what I'm doing, it's like being constructive, waiting, and then working.
Ugh.
It's better.
I mean, I wish this would do something.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
You're not gonna
I'm
push
like,
it or force
think-
the trade.
debating that. Yeah, I'm debating on just closing my positions while they're in the blue, and because they're not doing anything, so it's not
Yeah.
like I'm in crazy profit, and they're not in drawdown.
Exactly.
I
Just
think
sitting
altogether they might cover the spreads.
Aw.
Oh, you know what? Oh no, never mind. Let me put a fib on my chart. I have not used a Fibonacci in a long time. It's been a minute. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth my sleep to watch this.
Yeah, no, I'm done in the next 2 minutes. I mean, unless it picks up and starts pushing crazy, that.
Although this is our second bearish 30-minute candle. Well, now it's a doji.
Yeah, these shits are shitty. I don't think we're gonna get much anything today. More than spiritual bandit. Later, Max D-Max. Well, alright. I will see you guys tomorrow in Asian. YouTube, tune in. You could go on to the lounge. I don't know if they're still on. You're streaming, right, Michelle?
Yes, but now I can turn off my tune into Mitch banner.
Yeah, the live trading lounge. I don't know if anyone's gonna be there, but y'all could talk to each other. Figure out what price is gonna range at.
Let us know.
Alright, everyone.